few weeks ago, I had the pleasure to go to East Africa and visited the Uganda Cancer Institute. And the picture that I saw there is very much representative of what you see in many other parts of the world, in that we had a shortage of very few but very, very engaged, tireless working physicians, about 20 for the entire country of Uganda, treating oncology patients. But then you also see that you have patients who need to stay between their treatment cycles on the hospital grounds in tents, because they never know whether the medicines they need are available and want to be there at that time, or they are lacking the means to travel back to their respective villages and come back to the next treatment cycle. And while oncology medicines are being provided free of charge in Uganda, you see that we need to go beyond the question of just availability and affordability of medicines, but that we need to address challenges across the entire ecosystem. That includes awareness, diagnosis, early detection, robust supply chains, and of course then affordable medicines. But as it was said before, this is just one part of it. And that is what drives our excitement to join this coalition. And we were very happy to be the first private sector player to join this coalition, because we feel that there are two elements that are unique to it. One is the broad spectrum of stakeholders that have the same aim but bring complementary skills to bear. And for a problem as complex as this needs to go beyond individual efforts or bilateral efforts, but requires to create an ecosystem that brings all of these skills together. And secondly, it's about the sustainability that we are trying to create. And at Novartis, we have agreed to work with the medicines pool in order to bring one innovative targeted oncology therapy into voluntary licensing, but at the same time also reinvest the royalties that we would get from this licensing into the future of Atom. For today, I'm very honored and privileged to be together with you all. I think we have a great opportunity ahead of us to truly make an impact for cancer patients, so that, as Pat said, the geography is not a destiny and will provide health equity around the world. Thank you very much.